Welcome to part 2 of our ripple blanket crochet along. I hope you were able to watch the introductory and part 1 so that you're ready to go on to this next part where we're going to go ahead and get into the pattern itself. Review the other 2 if you haven't already so you know the yarn, supplies, and chain size to do and all that good stuff. Also, in that video, part 1, I talked about using the stacked single crochet or the chain 3, whatever your preference is. For the purpose of what I'm talking about, I'm going to be doing the stacked single crochet instead of the chain 3. So, but if you prefer the chain 3 and then go into the 4th chain from the hook, that's fine. But I'm going to show you how to make a really nice, pretty edge on your blanket. So if you look at the back of your chain, there's these little bumps. On the front, you have the V's, where it's got these little V's right here. Each one of those is a chain. On the back, you have these bumps. You got your first one, your second one, third one. See it right there? Go ahead and pull it out just a little bit like that. That's where you're going to work. You're going to work right into that back bump, and you're going to really be amazed how pretty your edge looks. So go ahead and stick your hook into that first bump, like so. If you chained a little bit tightly, it's going to be a little bit difficult, but wiggle it in there. You can get it in there, just have to use your finger. And then yarn over, pull through just that bump. You got 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. You've just done a single crochet. Now we're going to stack it. This is only the first part of this stitch. You're going to see you've got 2 bars here. See them? One here, 2 bars. We're going to go right between them and put our hook right here into this bar here. So take your hook, go into that bar, like so. Yarn over, come back through just that bar, and then you'll still have 2 loops on your hook. Chain over, go through both loops. That's a stacked single crochet, and it's going to make such a beautiful edge. See that? Look how pretty it is. It also makes it really, really easy if you do want to make a border. You know exactly where to put your stitches, so it makes a nice even border as well, if that's what you choose. Go ahead and put your stitch marker right in the top of that stacked single crochet, because that's your first stitch. This is not your stitch. That's an edge. This is your stitch. So you've got 1 stitch there, 1 stacked single crochet. So that's our first part of our pattern. Then we're going to go ahead and do a double crochet into that very same loop. So yarn over, stick your hook right in that very same loop, same back bump that we used for the stacked single. Yarn over, bring up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's your second stitch. 1, 2. You got a stacked single crochet and a double crochet right in the same loop. Looks a little funny right now, but I promise it'll work out. The next part of that pattern is to half double crochet 6. So to half double crochet, you're going to yarn over, go into the very next back bump, squeeze that hook in there. It might be a little tight. That's okay. It's going to be pretty. Promise. Squeeze it in there. My chain's a little tight. It'll loosen up though. Yarn over, pull through just that back bump. You'll have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through all 3. That's your first half double. Do that 5 more times. Yarn over, go through that next back bump, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. There's 2. Yarn over, next back bump, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Do it 1 more time. Yarn over, go into that next back bump, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So what do we have so far? We have our stacked single right here. That's our first stitch. we have our double crochet here, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 half doubles. We need 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can count them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches. 4 of them are your half doubles. 2 more. Yarn over, go through your back bump, yarn over, go through, yarn over, pull through. That's 5. Yarn over, go in your back bump, yarn over. That's 6. Look how pretty it's looking. Doesn't look like much yet. It will. The next thing we're going to do is a half double crochet 2 together, and we're going to do that 2 times. So it sounds complicated. It's really not. We're going to yarn over. Stick your hook into the next back bump, like so. Yarn over. Pull through that back bump. You got 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again. Go into the very next back bump. Yarn over and pull through that bump. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on your hook, and you're in 2 different chains. 1 there, 1 there. Yarn over, go through all 5, like so. That's a half double crochet 2 together. We're going to do that one more time. Yarn over, go into that back bump, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go into the next bump, yarn over, pull through, 5 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all. So you got 2 half double crochet 2 togethers. Now we're going to do 6 more half doubles. Into the back bump, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 half doubles. Now remember, if this is going too fast for you, to slow down your playback speed on YouTube, because it'll help you see exactly where I'm putting my hook. I can only do 15-minute videos at a time, so doing those repeated ones, I'm going a little bit faster, but you can slow down the playback speed and you can see everywhere I'm sticking the hook, okay? So far what we got: stacked single crochet, double crochet in the same back bump. Then we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 half doubles. And then we've got 2 half double crochets 2 together, 1, 2, and then 6 more half doubles. Now the next part of the pattern is to do a double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, go into this next bump here, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, add a double crochet. Now we're going to do the same thing in the very same bump. Don't go to the next one, stay in the same bump. Yarn over, go through the same hole, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you've got 2 double crochets in that same hook. We're going to do the same thing in the next one. Yarn over, go into the next bump, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go into the same bump, yarn over, pull up, go through 2, go through 2. So you've got 4 double crochets and 2 stitches. 1, 2 in this bump, 1, 2 in that bump. Now we're going to go ahead and do 6 half doubles again. So and that's a tight chain. Yarn over, go through. Yarn over, go through all 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can see where we're headed here. We got the beginning, we've got a dip here, then we've got a peak here. See how it's starting to ripple a little bit? So now we need to do another dip, and that dip is those 2 half double crochets 2 together. So that's what we're going to do now. Yarn over, go in that next bump, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go into the next bump, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 5, yarn over, go in the next bump, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go in the next bump, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through all 5. 2 half double crochet 2 together. Now do 6 half doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we need to do a peak. So the peak is the 2 double crochets in the same spot. So yarn over, go through the little bump, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Do that one more time in the same hole, same spot. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Do it one more time. Next bump, yarn over, double crochet, yarn over, same bump, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you can see your pattern. You can see where we started, stacked double crochet or your chain 3, double crochet. These are in the same back bump or chain. Then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 half double crochets. Then you've got a half double crochet 2 together, half double crochet 2 together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 half double crochets. And then in the next 2 chains, we're going to do 2 double crochets each. So this bump has two double crochets, and this bump has 2 double crochets. And then we're going to do 6 more half doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to do half double crochet 2 together, half double crochet 2 together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 half doubles. And then we're going to do 2 double crochets in this chain and 2 double crochets in this chain. And this is how we're going to go all the way to the bottom or to the end. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to work that pattern repeat where you're doing, once you get past here, you've got your first 2 doubles, which would be your stacked single or your chain 3 and your double crochet. I want you to repeat this pattern all the way through the end. You've got your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 half doubles, 2 half doubles together, twice, 6 half double crochets, double crochet and 2 double crochets in the same loop, 2 double crochets in the same loop, 6 half doubles, and so on, all the way until you get to the end. And then you should have 1 stitch left over, and we'll meet back there. So I hope you enjoyed this part. On to the next, and we're moving right along.